Can you put it in reverse, Wendy? All the way down?
Try the other way.
Push the red lever all the way to the floor. Now push the gas pedal. There you go. That's the idea. Now, there you go. And now put it in forward again. Pull it up. And now drive. That's okay. Okay. Here, why don't we just...
He does. He likes it.
Can I help you?
He doesn't like it. It's too fast.
Here, let me just turn you guys out of this corner. There, now you can drive. Go for it, Wendy. You did it.
And I drive safely and we both didn't fall off.
Good.
Oh, I stopped because I had to have it.